Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful quick meal Sylvano Evo espresso machine. Now for this machine, it's been a little challenging to brew coffee because we do not have the portafilter or the tray of the machine, so it's really difficult for us to try to brew coffee without those two things. We're going to be using a BBM portafilter. Hopefully we can get a good seal in there and hopefully we can do a good shot of espresso, but like I said, we do not have the portafilter of this machine. Now for this machine, we replace the water pump, this one that you see right here. We also replace the air valve that goes into here and then it goes connected into the boiler. And we also had to replace the PID and the temperature sensor of this machine. So we did quite a lot of work. We had this machine already on the whole morning, making sure that the machine was at 200 degrees, not over pressurizing and not leaking anywhere. But like I said, we don't have the portafilter, so let's see how it goes with this BBM portafilter that we have right here. Hopefully we can do a good shot. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise you're going to see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Felt secure, but I'm not going to be sure unless we pressurize it, so let's see how that shot comes out. And thankfully it's a good shot. As you can see, the machine is pressurizing at 8 bars, so probably I need to get that grind a bit finer to get that 9 bars instead. We're seeing a nice beautiful stream coming out of that portafilter, no leaks coming out through here or anything from the gasket, even though we're not using this machine's portafilter. As you can see, it's definitely pressurizing over there on the gauge. Previously this machine was not pressurizing and it was not building any pressure at all. Now this is a manual shot timer, so we're gonna just stop it. And like I say, it was gonna be a bit messy because we do not have the tray and the back flush that comes out from this machine just splatters all over the place. But we still got a nice shot of espresso on this beautiful machine. Good crema, working great. Now we're gonna be testing the steamer. And as you can see, pretty fast steam coming out from this beautiful machine. Working great. Excellent steam pressure, excellent brew pressure as well, temperature in the right spot. And good flow coming out from the brew pit. So there you have it, quick meal Sylvano Evo working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.